Today, we're diving into an exciting online course called How to Get Into AI, offered by the University of Leeds on the popular website for learning, Coursera. This course is designed specifically for beginners with zero prior experience in artificial intelligence needed. Whether you're completely new to AI or just curious to learn more, this course provides the ideal starting point to understand this cutting-edge technology. This How to Get Into AI course takes approximately 6 hours to complete over a flexible schedule of 2 to 3 weeks, making it super convenient for busy learners. In fact, courses on Coursera are on demand. With this at your own pace flexibility, you can also binge and finish the entire course in just a day or weekend if you prefer. The course is taught in English, but since you can take it from anywhere in the world, the course content is available in 21 different languages. Instructors Dr. Sam Wilson and Amy Brereton from the University of Leeds will help you master the skills needed to accelerate your career in the rapidly expanding field of artificial intelligence. You'll also explore the ethical and social implications of AI, as well as diverse career paths in this rapidly growing field. Financial aid is available for those who qualify. See the course details page for that information with the link in the description below. The course content is divided into 2 main modules. Module 1 covers the fundamentals of AI, real-world applications, and the importance of responsible AI usage. Module 2 focuses on AI in the workplace and the essential skills needed for success in AI-related roles. To enhance your learning experience, this course includes interactive elements such as video lectures, readings, quizzes, and discussion prompts. You'll also get hands-on experience with large language models and explore AI tools used across various industries. You'll feel like a pro as you learn about cutting-edge AI concepts, including predictive AI for forecasting and analysis, generative AI for creating new content, and conversational AI for building human-like dialogue systems. There are 3 quizzes and 1 assignment to assess your understanding and skills along the way. Coursera has a unique and practical way of learning, since you can read and audit the course for free, accessing lectures and ungraded materials. For graded assignments and a certificate to showcase on your LinkedIn profile, consider a paid option. An individual course like this one is inexpensive. A monthly or yearly Coursera Plus subscription is also available, which gives you unlimited access to certificate courses. This is a great option for those of you that are career-focused and looking to maximize your success. If you're finding this review helpful in understanding the course, please give this video a like. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. The How to Get Into AI course that we are reviewing today is an excellent comprehensive introduction for anyone new to artificial intelligence. Click the link in the description to enroll and kickstart your AI learning journey today. And remember to check out this next video where we dive deeper into maximizing your learning experiences for job and career success.